Hey, fair warning. If you're going to shuffle, you're going to run out of real estate real fast.
Okay.
There's a big hole right in front of where you're playing.
Whoa. Yeah, you can't say that in front of this group, Shelby. Yeah, last time I checked. Maybe, I don't know. Hey, maybe you tell your wife to put a ball.
See, that's how you feel softball.
Yep, eyes closed and dumb luck.
Yes. Hey, let her stay back, son.
You know what you're doing? I'm not going to tell you to stop that. One thing, your feet are still as you're bringing your hands forward. At least try to make sure your feet are stopped before you release those hands to come forward. Otherwise, your hands are doing this coming through the zone. And that's why you're on top of some of these and under some of them. So if you're going to shuffle, get to here and then throw your hands.
Okay.
Feel good, make you feel good.
I found it!
Stay there, keep your head down. Terrible pitch. Oh my God, that's terrible, my bad.
Heads up, heads
Good job,
up.
girls. Don't go over. Oh, no. Got red king.
Hey, you can shuffle.
I'm just trying not to.
Shuffle.
I'm just trying to stay still. We'll see what happens.
Nice.
There it is. That's her. Nice. Man.
That's rare.
She's like, yeah.
No, that's rare. Left is rare.
Come on. Uh-oh. Found something.
What a BP hero!
My bad. Bad pitch.
Oh, good cut though. It's a base hit.
That is the most Jonathan catch I've ever seen. That is a Jonathan catch.
Keep your head on your swivel.
You got it. I got your back. Great job.
I want to marry you to something.
Okay.
I want to go in between with this. So, and I do this with a couple other people.
Okay. You want to try it from back?
No, I'm
Oh,
supposed to
okay.
watch the
I got you. Okay.
So, for the shufflers,
Yeah, and then everybody.
one thing that you can do is, and it'll help you. You're still going to shuffle, but you're not going to be moving as much.
Okay.
Start with your weight on your front foot.
Okay.
So you're really almost like this,
Okay.
and then go down
yeah. Okay.
and go forward.
Okay.
So just watch 1 and 2.
Okay. I have an idea. I mean, I'll watch you, but
Yeah.
you probably know my ex-husband, Eric Hoover, and he runs the
Okay.
balls.
Yep.
Like a
So 1 or 2, Adam.
Alright.
I assume you know him just because of softball, but
I'm sure I've met him before.
yeah.
And we can still go over there.
Yeah.
But what it's doing is it's allowing you to shuffle, but
Okay.
what it's going to do is it's going to allow you're shuffling your feet,
Okay.
but it's going to allow you to plant and get your weight back on your front foot.
Okay.
And still keep your hands back, because now it's, and then it's throwing your hands, and it's not a.
Okay.
So
Start.
yeah, jump on back in.
Start on my phone and see if.
Yeah, just start to kind of weight on, like most of your weight on the front foot.
Right. Okay.
Shift it to the back, and then go back forward.
Okay.
Almost like a dance move.
Okay.
Hey, Jonathan's trying to talk trash about you now, Andy.
That's fine.
Yeah,
He's
you're
got to
right.
throw you something in here.
You're right. I'm just thinking about the.
Hey, take this time to practice it.
That's all right.
Great swing. But it really does end up kind of the best of both worlds.
Okay.
And it gives you back the back control and the consistency that you're going to want.
Okay.
And that's really the whole purpose of that, is to keep the consistency.
Go at it. Right on the mitt. Right on the line.
Great ball.
Look at those butts. Hey, good job, Noah.
See, and your hands are staying back. They're not releasing
Yeah.
until you're while your weight's forward.
Yeah, makes sense.
Don't worry, Damien. I'll overthrow you. Ball.
Oh, I thought that still bounced in.
Sorry. No, it's fine. I'm just thinking.
Don't feel bad, Adam. Hey, listen, that was worse than anything you did.
That doesn't work. But I'll try.
But if that weight's on the front foot, you can shut your brain. Your body's going to do everything else on the side.
Ooh, look at that first baseman. Where were you, pitcher?
Where were you, bitch?
At some point, you're going to have to throw me back the ball.
Good.
You got it, you got it.
You got 3 more here.
Extra spicy.
It's new people.
How was the game in
Whenever I'm around new people, I set the bar as low as I can.
How is the game going TK?
I hope you set that bar just as low for me.
That might have something to do with it.
Good hit,
Everything to do with it. I wasn't there. I haven't even heard nothing. Oh, great effort, Richard.
Great try, Richard.
Meredith, great swing.
So,